Buying a home is one of the biggest milestones in life and also one of the most expensive. But before you start picking out curtains, there's a major step you need to take: saving for the down payment. Don't worry, it's not impossible. Whether you're just starting or halfway there, we'll break it down step by step so that saving for your dream home becomes realistic and doable. Step 1. Know your target amount. Before you save a single dollar, you need to know how much you actually need. Most conventional home loans ask for at least 20% down. So if the home you want costs $300,000, you'll need $60,000 as a down payment. But here's the good news: you don't always need 20%. Some lenders accept as little as 3% to 5%, depending on your credit score, income, and loan type. Takeaway: set a target amount based on the home price in your area and the type of loan you're going for. Step 2. Set a timeline. Now ask yourself, when do I want to buy? Is it in 2 years? 3 years? The timeline helps determine how much you need to save each month. For example, if your target is $30,000 and you want to buy in 3 years, you'll need to save $833 every month. That's much more motivating than a vague, "I'll start saving eventually." Step 3. Open a separate savings account. Treat your down payment savings like it's sacred. Open a separate high-yield savings account just for your down payment. Why? Because mixing it with your everyday account makes it easier to spend it accidentally. Choose a bank with a high interest rate, no monthly fees, and easy transfer options. Let your savings earn money while they sit. Step 4. Automate your savings. One of the best ways to stay consistent. Automation. Set up an automatic transfer every time you get paid. It could be $100 or $500, whatever you can manage. The key is to make it automatic so you don't even have to think about it. You'll be surprised how fast it grows when it's out of sight and out of mind. Step 5. Cut back on big monthly expenses. To save faster, look at your biggest monthly expenses. Here are a few places to start. Dining out. Swap 3 restaurant meals for home-cooked meals. That could save $150 per month. Streaming services. Do you really need Netflix and Hulu and Disney Plus? Cut back. Car payment. Consider refinancing your car loan or using public transport a few days a week. Small changes can lead to huge savings over time. Step 6. Make more money on the side. What if you could double your savings rate? A side hustle can help you do that. Ideas include freelancing online, driving for Uber or Lyft, selling handmade products or old items online, tutoring or teaching skills. Put 100% of your side hustle income straight into your down payment fund. You'll be amazed how fast it adds up. Step 7. Get help from government programs. Did you know there are first-time homebuyer programs that can help? Depending on your income and location, you might qualify for down payment assistance programs, grants that don't need to be repaid, low down payment loans like FHA, VA, or USDA loans. Do your research and check with your local housing authority. Free money. Yes, please. Step 8. Track your progress. Track your progress monthly so you stay motivated. Use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or even a printable chart. Celebrate milestones like hitting your first $5,000 or 25% of your goal. Keeping it visual makes saving less stressful and way more exciting. Step 9. Avoid new debt. While saving for a home, be cautious about taking on new debt. New car loans, credit card debt, or personal loans can lower your credit score and increase your debt-to-income ratio, making it harder to get a mortgage. Focus on building a clean financial profile with low debt and consistent savings. Your future self will thank you. Step 10. Stay consistent and don't give up. Saving for a down payment is not a sprint, it's a marathon. You might have slow months, and that's okay. What matters is staying consistent. Even if it takes 2, 3, or 5 years, you are buying freedom and financial security. Stay patient, stick to the plan, and you'll get the keys to your new home before you know it. Subscribe to Wiki for more smart money tips. Don't forget to subscribe to Wiki for more practical and powerful personal finance tips. We're here to help you grow smarter with your money, one video at a time.